Hey guys, a video on Intel. Yeah, we're down 13% in the post and pre-market after the earnings report, and it's mainly because year-on-year growth, it's nowhere. Okay, we have a growth decline Q4 2024 compared to Q4 2025 compared to Q4 2024, and here it was also already coming down from the previous year. So look, it's been not good actually for the past years. The stock is looking good, and I know Intel has investments. They're building a new factory. They bought ASML's latest machine, so the US government has a stake in it. They want to increase domestic chip production, so Intel will, I think, turn this around, but it needs time. Okay. One more thing we can look at is debt to equity. So this is okay. They have more equity than debt. Then cash flow also okay. So yeah, just I think they need time. When we look at the stock then, I have two scenarios like we already talked about. Either there's 1, 2 and more direct push to the upside and a 3, 4, 5, or we place this one here, this wave 2 here, we change this internal count then to this. Okay, and this will allow us for a larger and deeper correction that can take a little bit longer. Okay, because we need to correct this whole move that started in April to now. So that's almost 1 year. We need to correct that, okay? And that's almost tripled. Maybe it did. But before we turn to that locally more bearish scenario, we want to keep this one on the chart, the locally more bullish scenario, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within this third wave, we want to see 5 waves up again. This could have been a wave 1. Now we could be in a wave 2. I'm going to add fibs here. Like this. And maybe to be no, I have to add it from here. Never mind. So these fibs here are your levels to watch for this wave 2 here. I'm gonna try to remove what is not necessary anymore. I'll keep this internal labeling. I'm gonna remove these fibs for now. The trend line, this larger one, I'm gonna remove it. I'll add it back once we are sure that we're gonna go deeper, and we might need this one, but I'll remove it just to clear up the chart. Then I have the point of control of this range, which will be a good level at 37.39, and a point of control of a smaller range in here from this, okay, at 48.51, but we will open below it. We will open below this trend line probably. Maybe we can get a little bit of a bounce, but I expect a resistance from here, okay? So now for that 1, 2, 3 scenario, 4, 5, if you want to move directly to the upside, we want this 1, 2 setup. For your 1, 2 setup, these are your fibs. Strongest fibs sit here, 0.5 to 0.618 at 41 to 44, okay, approximately. If we can't see any strength here, and if it just now keeps dropping and even, loses this blue point of control, together with that and hitting this 886, this wave 2 will be invalidated, okay? And then, if that happens, we have to shift towards this, and putting this 5th wave here and putting this 4th wave here, doing this extended 4th wave, and then also preferring this extended wave too. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. If we do, I'm also gonna then take fibs from this low to this high, because we need other fibs, different fibs for this wave too than we do for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.